Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you YouTrip App Down how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue that you are having, first method that you can use is check internet connection. Simply drop down your control center and then make sure your phone has a stable network connection. Simply turn on Wi-Fi on and off, and you can also switch to mobile data if that doesn't work, and if that still doesn't work, simply tap on the airplane mode on the top, leave for 10 to 20 seconds and turn it back on. Sometimes the weaker or unstable connections make the app appear down. Then the next method that you can use is simply heading over to the App Store or your Google Play Store if you are using an Android. Then on the search bar, simply type in YouTrip. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. Then the next method that you can use is heading over back to your home screen and opening up settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and tap on general. Then once inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll all the way down, then tap on show out, and here scroll all the way down once again and you'll find the YouTrip application. Simply tap on that. Then inside you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it releases the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, simply tap on the reinstall app option, and then once that's done, your issue should be fixed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.